Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can upload bulk orders in Woocommerce WordPress. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and then click on Add New. A new page will appear. From here, navigate to the search bar and type Woocommerce Custom Order CSV Import Suite or WP All Import. Install and activate the plugin. Next, go to Woocommerce Orders. At the top, you will see an import option. Click on it, and a new page will open where you can upload your CSV file containing all the orders. Choose the CSV file from your computer and click Continue. Now you'll see the mapping screen where Woocommerce matches your CSV columns with order fields like customer name, email, product, order status, and payment method. Make sure the mapping is correct and adjust if needed. Once done, click Run Importer and Woocommerce will start uploading your bulk orders. Wait for the process to finish, and you'll see a success message. Finally, go back to Woocommerce Orders, and you'll find all your bulk orders successfully added into your store. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.